So, yung law of acceleration pala is equal yung F force is equal to mass times acceleration o yung Newton's second law of motion o yung law of acceleration pala is actually a second derivative. So, pag gagamitan mo siya ng differential equations, ang ending solution pala nun is integral. Kasi second derivative siya. Which is nalaman natin na yun na nga, kasi alam naman natin na yung differential is ang kabaliktaran ng differential calculus ay integral calculus. So since second derivative na siya by differential calculus, so ibabalik mo siya dun sa integral form niya, yun na yun. Second derivative pala yung law of acceleration. Isipin mo ganun katalino si ganun kagaling si Sir Isaac Newton at na-discover niya yung differential equations niya. But yun na nga, nasabi mo na kagabi na ano siya, na real world application siya of real world application of the rate of change. Kasi alam naman natin yung acceleration is the rate of change over time. So, pag may rate of change parati doon, laging may differential. Laging may differential calculus na ito. So, kaya pag in-apply mo siya ng differential equation, doon papasok. So, yun, nalaman lang natin, concepts lang naman, pero maganda na nalalaman natin. Ako sa edad kong to, mas magandang nag-e-extend yung alam natin. Hindi tayo na dun sa alam lang natin na humihinto. Nag-e-expand ako. Kasi the more things I know, it's good for my mental health. It keeps me emotionally stable. Yun na nga. So, extended lang nung napag-aralan ko before. So, siguro nagde-differential calculus ako, tatapusin ko mula din integral, then after nun, tsaka ako magde-differential equation kasi kailangan sa computer graphics o sa computer science. Isama na natin para mas advance. So, yun lang po.